What is up, YouTube? We're home now. Worked all day, all that good kind of stuff. And notice I'm wearing my Stephen Cox get out and fix something, because that's straight up what we're doing. Behind me is my old 93 Chevrolet, which me and one of my best friends and my oldest daughter, Lily, built this truck. It's nothing special. I used all stock parts. Quick rundown on this truck, and I'll go more in depth into it later. This truck began life as a V6 automatic two-wheel drive, and my grandfather bought this truck brand new. A lot of good times going fishing, hunting, everything in this old truck. Long story short, we did the body swap onto the other frame, and now my old V6 two-wheel drive is now a 350 5-speed four-wheel drive. But here's the thing, that frame that I put under my truck, it had 270 something or 240 something thousand miles on it, and something that I never checked, because I've never thought to check this in all the trucks I've owned, and I've owned a pile of trucks, were the U-bolts on the rear end. And when I say check them, this was something new to me. I'm going to take y'all into the truck and show you what I'm talking about. See the issue there? That U-bolt right there that holds the axle to the spring pack is rusted in two. And right there, just about is. And the other U-bolt on this side is the same way. I've already changed those over there. Maybe that's showing. Yeah, I've already changed them. So we'll be changing these right here. Notice my handy dandy portable shop floor here. This blue tarp. It's nice. You can take it anywhere. Yeah, you guys can see pretty good right there. Okay, doke. Yes, I know there's a leak there. Rear end needs to be rebuilt. It's got a new pinion bearing in it and a new pinion seal, but that still didn't save things. So it's coming. One of these days I'll get around to finishing my shop. I had a shop, pretty nice little shop, at my other house where I used to live, and when we bought our house over here, I knew I was gonna miss it, and then the hurricane tore it down. And after Hurricane Michael tore my shop down, pretty much, you know, you can't miss it then because it's gone. No, I'm not putting a jack stand under it. Tire is still on. Just a real quick pick me up. If something were to slip, I'm in the clear. I'm not getting hurt here. There's the one that hadn't broke yet. See just how close it was. And there is the other one. Notice this is no longer here. That's a problem. So yeah, real quick, I'm going to take the wire brush on the grinder to this, knock this rust scale off of it, and put a little bit of Rust-Oleum on there. I don't know if Rust-Oleum, this says that it has a, says it stops rust. I hope so. I haven't looked into it. Some stuff is actually a rust converter. I don't know if this is or not, but it's better than the current situation. know Cousin Matt says just to soak it. So you put it on thick and let it just kind of pour down, but I don't do it that way. Put a little bit in that. And my switch is going bad in this old impact wrench. I've had that impact wrench for almost 20 years, and it is a cheap Harbor Freight one, and it's been great. I bought it for just one little old job, and I've had it all these years, and it's been fantastic. So I can't really fuss at the switches going out after 20 years. It's done a lot of hard work. Run up one of these other ones real quick. I guess we'll break out the air impact. We're calling it at that. The U-bolts are changed. It's good to drive again. You get to see me get really aggravated because right whenever I want to make a good, nice little instructional YouTube, boom, it goes south. It's cool though. Anyway, like we say, thank you for watching. You're gonna get that on them big jobs.